What's up, divas? Welcome back to my channel. And for those of you who are new, welcome. I am Simply Carrie, and I do health, beauty, and lifestyle content. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I go about hiding my under eye puffiness. Before I get started, I would like to invite you to become a member of the Diva Nation. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and definitely don't forget to hit the notification bell. I upload videos every week. So let's go ahead and get started with this video. Okay, so the first step is to apply a foundation. The foundation that I'm using is the Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Longwear Foundation by Fenty. Now, I do want to address the elephant in the room, which is the bruises that I have all over my face. I have those bruises because the night before I was using the Ultra Suction Pore Cleanser from Vivitar, and I went a little overboard. Anyhow, I really do like how the Fenty foundation covers the bruises, but if I can't cover the bruises completely, then I will go back with a concealer to make sure that they are covered. But I really do like how this foundation is covering those bruises. All right, so the next thing I'm using is a L'Oreal Paris Magiclumi highlighter pen. I'm going to use the pen to highlight the area just underneath the puffy area where the puffiness creates a shadow. Keep in mind that the goal here is to disguise the puffy area, not make it any more prominent. And by highlighting the shadowy area, I will bring it out, making it appear even with the rest of my face. I'm also using a brush to blend in the color and the texture so that I can make this invisible. Now, notice I did put a little too much, so I'm having to use my fingers to finish blending everything in. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to use is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in shade 55 Hazelnut, just to hide those bruises from that pore cleanser that I used. This thing really worked me over. Okay, so now I'm going to apply the rest of my makeup to finish up this look, and any of the products that I use, I will leave in the description. All right, so there's the finished look. My goal here was just to disguise the puffy area and not make it more prominent. So I want to thank you guys for watching my video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video.